Hi, I'm Lola.
And I'm Lizzie. To celebrate National Ice Cream Month, we're gonna make some ice cream sundaes.
Let's get to it. Lizzie, what's your favorite ice cream?
I like all of them, but one of my favorite is chocolate.
I like all of them too. It's hard to decide. My favorite's probably cookie dough.
Did you know that July 17th is National Ice Cream Day?
I did. I'm probably gonna have a lot of ice cream that day. It's my excuse. So, what do you like better, ice cream or frozen yogurt?
I think I like ice cream better. How about
Same.
you?
What's your favorite topping to put on ice cream?
I like gummy bears.
Sprinkles. Sprinkles is like the OG of them all. Popsicles or ice cream?
Ice cream.
They're both really good, but you can't compete with ice cream. It's just too good. Sprinkles. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. The cherry on top. Oh, it fell to the bottom. Cherry on the side. No, the gummy bears. Hey Liz, what's your favorite Little Smackers ice cream flavor?
I think mine is ice cream clone. What about you?
Mine's gotta be the Mickey ice cream bar. They're both really good. Yeah. Can't argue between those two. Scale from 1 to 10, how good would you rate ice cream?
10,000.
Bravo. Good choice. Amazing. Whoops. It's a mountain. Duh. Lizzie, it's the Matterhorn. Now I just gotta add the road that you're riding on. Ready? Woo! Oh, that'd be a scary ride. I'm not going on that. Unless it is actually ice cream, because then duh. Cheers. Tell us what your favorite ice cream and ice cream toppings are.
In the comment section below.
Bon appetit.